Alright guys, I'm still here. Alright, what I'm doing right now is, y'all see these wires that's running through this contraption to hide the ductwork? We ain't gonna need to talk about that, but what they want is, they want provisions. You know, they want some support for studio monitors that's supposed to be smack dead in the middle of where they provided the hole, but this panel goes there. Where's the support in the middle of that? Don't worry about it. I'm gonna take care of it. I'm having fun doing it too.